Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the head of Financial Education, Trading and Capability Development for WealthTrade Malaysia. Today I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Firstly, as we can see, the industrial production yardstick for November is expected to actually have a gain of 0.1% for the month compared to 0.1% drop of the prior month. Secondly, as we can see, the analysts are expecting for the retail sales to be fall at 0.1% as well, after rising 1.3% from the prior month, despite a strong day for the Black Friday sales at Thanksgiving time. Thirdly, as we can see, one of the reasons of Fed actually increasing the interest rate, it would be the unemployment data. And the new jobless claims is at 230,000 and it is expected to be the same as well for the today's data. The trend is bullish. The fundamental range that we're looking at is between 1804.76 to 1808.74. Moving forward with our technical analysis, as you are able to see here at the investing.com, firstly, we will look at the daily. We have 3 support points and 3 resistance points as well as pivot point based on Fibonacci. Our first support point that we can look at is 1799.12. Our support 2 is 1794.91 and our support 3 is 1788.08. And for our resistance 1, it would be 1812.78. For our resistance 2 would be 1816.99 and our resistance 3 would be 1823.82. And our pivot point, which would also be our take profit, would be at 1805.95. The first step in order for us to look into this is to look at what our technical indicators are basically being indicated. As we are able to see, our technical indicators at the daily is showing us a strong buy. And as we are able to see here, for the strong buy, this is based on all the technical indicators which is being listed over here. And we can also check with our weekly and also our monthly. As we can see at our weekly, we are having a strong buy. And if we can look at our monthly, we are also having a buy as well. What we can do is that we can use another indicator which is known as the linear regression. As we are able to see here, at the daily, we have our linear regression to be neutral, and for our weekly, we have it to be a slight downtrend, and for our monthly, we have it to be at an uptrend. It is also important for us to use 2 types of strategy tester, which is the Bollinger Band strategy tester and also the RSI strategy tester. The most important thing is that we must have the percent profitable which is above 50% for both the RSI strategy tester and also the Bollinger Band strategy tester. As we are able to see here at the daily, we can see that for RSI strategy tester we have about 66.67%. At the weekly we have about 56.25%, and for our monthly we have about 0%. And for our Bollinger Band strategy tester, for our daily, we have about 64.57%. And for our weekly, we have about 56.76%. And for our monthly, we have about 36.36%. As we know that our monthly does not meet the requirement where the percent profitable needs to be above 50%. We can only rely on our daily and only our weekly in order for us to see the time frame for the trend. As we know that our fundamental analysis is supporting more towards bullish, which means that we would actually support more towards bullish. As we can see here for the daily, we have our support 1, which would be our entry point, which would be at 1799.12. And our take profit would be at 1805.95, and our pivot point is also in the fundamental range as well. This technique has a higher winning percentage of about 80 to 85% in the market. If there's any further information that you need, kindly contact me, Gurmeet. May you have a wonderful day.